afternoon, student. Today we start array lesson 4. Today we start sorting. It is the process of arranging the data in a specific order, either ascending or descending order. If it is a character or string, then it is arranged in alphabetical order, means A to Z or Z to A. It is done in two ways. First one is bubble sort, second one is selection sort. Today we discuss bubble sort. This technique is most widely used for sorting elements in a single dimensional array. In this technique, the array is sequentially scanned several times, and during each iteration, the pair of consecutive elements are compared and interchanged to bring them into a specific order. It takes a lot of time when the number of exchange are more. So number of data is less, then it will work very well. Bubble sort means number is 100 or 1000 or 5000, it will work very well. But number is lakhs or crore, then it will not work very well. That time selection sort is better. For a small number of data, bubble sort is good, but number is more, than selection sort is better. Now we explain one example of question. The question is, write a program to enter 5 numbers in an array, single dimensional array. Arrange them number in ascending order by using bubble sort technique. Ascending means छोटा से बड़ा, smaller to higher. Ascending order में तो first of all we start Java programming. Import java.util.asterisk class prg curly bracket open public static void main function bracket curly bracket open. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. You should create an object. Now declare a dynamic memory array. The size is 5. Int a subscript is equal to new int 5. You need some variable also. Int ij temporary variable for t. Now enter the first 5 number. So enter 5 number in an array. This message you can display. Now you can start the loop. 0 to 5. Array always start the position 0. So the 5 value store up to 4. So I is equal to 0 less than 5. This way it will be stored. First array 0. That place it the value store. Now array 1. This way 5 number it will be stored. You can see the example. Input A. So 0 number we store 33, 22, 55, 44, and last address and array subscript 4, that will store 11. These are not in arrange. Now we start to how to arrange in bubble sort. Bubble sort process, we start the loop. You know very well if the 5 number is there, so you should arrange only 4 number. 5th number automatically store their own place. So bubble sort, how to solve this? First you start the loop for I is equal to 0. I less than 5 means 4, but you should less than 1. 4 because array already if the 5 number आपको सिर्फ 4 ही अरेंज करना है, फिर ऑटोमेटिकली देयर ओन प्लेस ले लेगा. तो 1 लेस आप लूप चलाइए. दूसरा लूप यू हाउ टू ऑपरेट. जे ऑल्सो स्टार्ट विथ 0 लेस देन 4 माइनस आई. ऑलवेज फ्रॉम बैक साइड इट विल बी डिक्रीज इट्स साइज. फर्स्ट टाइम 0 विल बी डिक्रीज, मतलब फुल साइज इट विल बी कंपेयर. हाउ टू कंपेयर? इफ array of j greater than array of j plus 1. First number is greater than second. For example, 33 greater than 22. Then it will be change their place, replace their place. So how to replace? Temporary variable, store the first position value, array of j. In array of j we store the array of j plus 1 or array of j plus 1. What will be the store? The temporary value t. This way this value are swept. After that you close the if compound bracket for j and this for. So first round when the j loop is finished, the value will be sorted in this way. 22 and 33 compare, so 22 is moved from first and 33 and second. This way it will be moving the biggest value transferred to the last position, like 55 transferred to the last position. First round the 55 is stored. Round number second, when the array value is 0 after 1, so it will be deduct 4 minus 1, so less than 3 up to it will be run 0 1 2 यहाँ तक ऑपरेट होगा. 4 minus 1 मतलब 3 लेस देन j लेस देन 3, तो लेस देन 3 मतलब 2 तक चलेगा. So when it will be 2, this one is 3, so these two compare and heaviest biggest value move. So ये वहाँ तक move हो जाएगा 44 यहाँ. Already this one is sorted. Now 44 are sorted. In step 2, next time array value is 1 after 2, it will be again decreased. That time 33 are sorted. Next time last round, fourth round, up to 22 are sorted. This way all the value are sorted. So 5 number, though it will be sorted, repeat 4 times. It will be repeat 4 times. So the value are this way it will be sorted. After sorting you should print. After sorting you should print the array value. How to print? System dot out dot println. After sorting, for I is equal to 0, I less than full range, आपको इसको ऑपरेट करना है. And now you will be print system dot out dot print array of I plus space. So what will be the value will be print after for loop finish, main method and class, two curly bracket finish. So what will be the output? The message will be so like this: after sorting. After sorting, which value it will be print? 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. This way value are sorted.